Food trucks used to be thought of as a quick way to get a plate of junk food, but they now provide so much more. Gourmet foods are being served from attractive, transportable trucks all around the world. You are not alone if you wish to start your own food truck business as a cook or chef. In this video, we are going to talk you through the main factors to consider if you're starting a food truck business in 2022. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video, where we have a special offer for you to help you start your food truck business. Food truck enterprises have grown in popularity since the pandemic. In 2022, the number of food truck businesses have doubled. So if you're thinking about starting a food truck business in 2022, it's never too late. We're here to help you navigate the process of starting a food truck business. Everything from building a business plan to selecting the right truck is covered in today's video. Festivals popularized the concept, but now food trucks can be found anywhere from outside bars to random locations in major cities. While owning and maintaining a food truck is difficult, there are many significant benefits. For starters, food trucks are usually transportable, so you're not bound to one spot. You can take your business to your clients wherever they are. Second, food trucks have cheaper operational costs than a traditional restaurant. To serve meals, you don't need to acquire or rent a building or own a retail space. Furthermore, you won't need to recruit a large number of staff. This means you can spend more money on better produce, insurance, and licenses. Last but not least, you have the option of starting small. If you want to establish your own food truck business, there are a few things to consider. The first step is to figure out who your clients will be. This might be as simple as becoming a patron of your competition. Keep track of who comes, when they arrive, what they buy, and how much they spent. Conduct surveys to acquire data specific to your product. Surveys reveal how much money people in a specific location are willing to spend, how frequently they dine out, and which restaurants they favor. You can start creating menu items and designing your logo based on your survey. Now that you have market data, the next thing is to build your food truck brand. Since the food truck industry is so competitive, it's critical to stand out and be remembered. Make sure your food truck company's name is memorable. The name should be descriptive while also being unique. A business strategy will assist you in setting realistic objectives. Documenting your company decisions meticulously lays the groundwork for a vision that can be realized. Business summary, detailing growth opportunities and future prospects, as well as the food industry in general and its impact on your business, is often included in a business plan. Market industry and research, an overview of industry trends, prospective customers, and potential competitors. Management and organization, describe how your company is organized and how employees are handled. Details about the product and service. Information about food production, delivery, resources, and costs. Marketing costs include branding and marketing techniques. Lay out the operating expenditures and set realistic profit goals to break even. Take the time to study the details of business management. You'll need to be familiar with accounting and other financial concepts. If you need any additional information or advice about starting a food truck, then you can reach out to us on our website using the links in the description or emailing us directly. When running a food truck business, never forget about the law. Since each location has its own set of rules, be sure you're familiar with the ones that apply to you. Business and vehicle licenses, employee identification, fire and health certificates, parking and food handler licenses are just a few of the usual licenses and permits you'll require. If you have any questions concerning legal restrictions or other required licenses and permits, contact your neighborhood authority. Before we move on to the next point, if you're getting value from this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about food trucks, please add to the comments below and we will include the answers in a future video. Secure funds. Prepare your business plan ahead of time. The sooner you finish your business plan, the sooner you can start looking for funding. A bank loan can be used to get funding. Check with truck suppliers to see if they have any financing options. Before approaching a lender, make sure you have a high credit score and enough money for a down payment. Create a crowdfunding campaign or find suitable investors. Following the funding, the next step is to purchase a food truck. A used truck can cost anywhere from $4,500 to $75,000, while a new truck costs between $62,000 and $140,000. You can also rent a truck for around $1,600 per month. Make sure the truck you purchase is appropriate for your business in terms of price, size, and maintenance costs. New trucks come with warranties that might help you avoid costly repairs in the future. After you buy your truck, the next thing to do is to furnish it with suitable equipment and appliances. However, certain items are a must for any food truck. Generators for cooking, heating, air conditioning, and lighting. First aid kit and fire extinguishers in the event of personal injury and accidental fires. Food storage to refrigerate your ingredients and store food supplies. Running water, preferably hot and cold. Above all, your truck should follow all industry standards. Get your truck and personnel insured to reduce risk. A business owner's policy is a package of insurance that often includes general liability and commercial property coverage. Commercial auto insurance covers automotive accidents, medical treatment, and liability claims resulting from collisions. Product liability insurance provides protection in the event that a consumer is hurt by your product and sues you. Workers' compensation insurance pays for your employees' medical bills if they're injured on the job. At first glance, all of these insurance plans may appear to be quite costly. When it comes to protecting your assets and your business, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Make a marketing strategy. You may use Instagram and Facebook to run a series of social media campaigns for efficient digital marketing. Make sure to post attractive images of your cuisine and brand, and don't forget to interact with your fans. Don't forget to constantly develop your brand as well. A website will assist you in increasing brand awareness and remaining relevant. You'll rank higher on search engines, receive more traffic, and eventually do more business if you use appropriate SEO strategies. That's all for today's video, but as I mentioned at the start, we have a special offer for you to say thank you for watching. If you click on the first link under this video, you'll be taken to our website where you can book a food truck business strategy call with one of our team. There's also a coupon code where you can get a discount and access to our other amazing products. Finally, take a look at this video on the screen now if you want to know more about the topics and ideas that we've discussed in this video. Thanks for watching.